Brad Williams, XL prime, surface of a sphere. Surface area of a sphere. A sphere is defined in geometry as a set of points in three-dimensional space that are all the same distance, r, radius, from a given point. The surface area of a sphere is computed using the following formula. 4 times pi times b5, which is going to be radius, squared. Got it? We're using the exponent caret 2, but you can also use this power function to accomplish the same thing. Here, we've got a radius of 4. Our area is going to be 4 times 3.1415 times radius, 4 times pi times this radius squared is going to give us the surface area of a sphere. Brad Williams, XL prime.